Most people think wealth comes from luck, connections, or a miracle business idea. But the truth is far less glamorous. Rich people don't get rich from big events. They get rich from small, daily routines that compound quietly over time. Routines almost nobody notices. Today, you'll learn 6 daily habits wealthy people use that most people ignore, yet these habits quietly build money, freedom, and opportunities. Stay to number 6. It's the one that separates people who hope for wealth from people who build it. Let's begin. 1. The morning money direction check. Rich people don't start their day on autopilot. They start by checking one thing. Where is my money going today? Not checking their bank balance. Not checking cryptocurrency charts. Not checking news. They ask, what money is coming in? What money might go out? What actions today move me forward financially? This takes less than 5 minutes, yet it gives them direction. Most people drift. Rich people steer. This tiny check forces accountability, builds discipline, and keeps their brain focused on wealth-building activities instead of distractions. 2. The 1-hour, high-value work block. Every day, rich people dedicate at least 1 hour to high-value work, the kind of work that grows income, not maintains it. This can be creating a product, improving a skill that pays, building a business system, generating leads, writing proposals, learning a money-making skill. This hour is protected. No calls, no messages, no interruptions. It's the hour that actually moves the needle. Everyone else is busy. Rich people are productive. 1 hour of high-value work per day is 365 hours per year. Almost 10 full work weeks solely focused on building income. Most people never do this consistently. 3. The opportunity scan. Routine. Rich people train their minds to spot opportunities. Every single day, they scan their environment for one thing. Where is the next opportunity hiding? They look for underserved needs, skills others lack, gaps in the market. People, they can help problems, they can monetize trends, they can enter early. This takes 5 to 10 minutes during a commute, a walk, breakfast, quiet time. The poor wait for opportunities. The wealthy hunt them. And because they're looking daily, they catch opportunities early, before everyone else sees them. 4. The silent money tracking habit. Wealthy people track their money privately and consistently. Nothing dramatic, just a simple daily snapshot. What did I spend today? What did I save today? What did I invest today? What did I earn today? This takes 2 to 3 minutes, but it builds awareness. And awareness is power. Most people avoid looking at their finances because it stresses them. Wealthy people look because it gives them control. Small financial tracking creates better decisions, less impulsive spending, stronger savings, faster investing, clearer financial goals. Money you watch grows. Money you ignore disappears. 5. The daily skill upgrade investment. Rich people know something the average person doesn't. Money grows to the level of your skills. So they invest 20 to 60 minutes every day improving a skill that has financial value. This could be selling, marketing, public speaking, coding, negotiation, content creation, investing, copywriting, leadership, business strategy. The wealthy do not treat learning as optional. They treat it as a daily deposit into their future wealth. Low-income earners stop learning after school. Rich people never stop. This one habit alone explains why 2 people with the same job start equal, but one becomes wealthy while the other remains stuck. 6. The wealth, reflection, and reset ritual. 8:20 to 9:50. At the end of the day, rich people do something simple but powerful. They review the day from a wealth perspective. Not journaling emotions. Not writing affirmations. Just 3 questions. What did I do today that moved me closer to wealth? What slowed me down? What will I improve tomorrow? This tiny reflection creates a loop of constant improvement, while others repeat the same mistakes year after year. Wealthy people correct mistakes daily. This is the routine that transforms ordinary people into financially sharp thinkers. These 6 routines look small, but in the long run, they build financial clarity, discipline, and momentum, the real foundations of wealth. Start with just one routine. Practice it daily. Watch how your mindset and your money begin to shift. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Your financial future starts with your daily habits.